morning, Kathy here from KathysKuteKreations. Okay, now, first off, I'm not sick, but my ear has plugged up. I think it has to do with the weather. We got 3 to 4 inches of snow, so I'm not going anywhere. My body is trying to fight something off. Everybody's been sick out at work. I don't have a fever or anything like that, but I was tired 3 times and I took 3 naps yesterday. And if I'm tired, that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm not going to chug through it and let it go, because then that's how I end up getting sick anymore. So I've come to you today so that we can pick the name of the person that's going to win this. So what I've done is on this telephone here, I have my generator, and I have 61 people that have asked for the kit. So let me show you what it looks like first. It is one... let's see if I can actually see it. 1 to 60. Can you even see the 1? Well, there's a 1 over here. Whoops, it went dark on me. 1 to 61. Okay, there's 1. And then right down here, I mean, that's a 10. I tried it out. It's what I did yesterday when my granddaughter showed me how to do it. So 1, there's 10, here's 1. You can barely see it. And so all you do is you hit the generate button. First, let me show you. This is how I got everybody's name. All I did was put your name on my paper. I piled it up on both sides with numbers. So let's put this up here. And let's see if we can hit the generate. And it says number 24. See the number 24? It's probably backwards for you guys. All right, so we look on our sheet. And number 24 is Jodie Vargas. She's number 24. So Jodie, I want you to email me at KathysKuteKreations@gmail.com. Just the word Kathys with a S. Cute Creations, everything has a K, starts out with a K, all lowercase. It's not case sensitive. At gmail.com, get me your address. I'm going to go ahead and I'll bag this up, and then after work, one day I'm going to run it up here to the UPS store, because they'll be open. I think they're open till like 7 at night or something like that. But anyway, we'll do that. I'll do that for you. My sister's hasn't come yet, but this won't take much to mail. I'll probably fold it in half like this and put it in an envelope, so it'll be about that size coming to you. Okay? So congratulations for Jodie, J-O-D-I, last name V-A-R-G-A-S, Vargas. So you are the winner, and I will get this video up as soon as I can. I would have had help, but my granddaughter is out visiting somebody, and my daughter's at home, and I'm not going anywhere with this snow that's out there. All I did was took a broom to my steps, and that's it. I haven't even done anything else. Megan's the one that went out front and shoveled all the snow off the front so that the mailman could get through if he was coming. I don't know if he's even coming. So let's go ahead, and I'm going to wrap this up. And the next video you see will be on Monday, the 17th, which is the first date, right here, January 17th. The first day that we're going to start working on this little table topper. Okay? Take care, everybody. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.